Hello and welcome to my channel, A Life in High Definition. Thank you so much for dropping by and spending your precious time with me to do this unboxing. It's been a while since I've done a subscription of the week, and I thought what better way to kick it back off than with this. It's a monthly subscription box from Mind. Did you know? Did you know this existed? I saw this maybe on Instagram or something, and I thought I had to give it a try. It's called a pause box. It's time to pause, and it's from Mind. By subscribing to Pause, you're helping Mind support and empower those of us experiencing mental health problems. I thought I would share this with you guys, see what's inside, and see if it can be helpful for me and my husband. As many of you know, but for some of my new subscribers, you might not know, my husband has schizophrenia and struggles with his mental health because of that. So anything that I can find that can help him out is always a bonus. From a weighted blanket to just giving him a cuddle. That really helps, you know. So if you want to find out what is inside this along with me, then you know what I'd love you to do. Hit that subscribe button, join my High Def family. Of course, you can ring the notification bell. Don't forget to share this video when you're done, and give me a thumbs up. You know I love them. Just sign in and do it. It only takes a sec. Alright, let's get into the video. So receive this box through the post, and it's a £7. It's not really a subscription, it's more of a donation every month towards Mind stuff, and of course you can cancel at any time. And when I opened it up, this is what is inside. Let's open it up first. It says, "Welcome to Pause, a little me time treat to help boost your well-being, delivered to your door each month. Through creativity, relaxation and mindfulness, your Pause box will encourage you to focus on your well-being, slow down your daily pace, and enjoy being present in the moment. You can use these gifts and activities to save a little alone time or share experiences with friends and family. And by subscribing to Pause, you're supporting Mind's vital work to ensure that no one has to face a mental health problem alone. Thank you. Now, pause." So it's got a lot of things in here. It says, what is well-being? Our mental well-being can change from day to day and with each different situation we're faced with. And it gives some ideas. It says learning a new skill, setting a new goal can have a positive effect on your self-esteem. Connect, feeling connected to and valued by other people is essential for our well-being. Move, physical exercise is a great way to lift your mood. Give, research shows that people who help others are more likely to be happy themselves. Your monthly gift to Mind should make you proud of the part you're playing to help others overcome mental health problems. Notice, mindfulness has become a familiar term in recent years, and making time to really appreciate being in the moment can be beneficial. There is a bit more to it than that, but you know, I don't want to read the whole thing and stop you getting this, do I? How to pause. Pause is your monthly moment of me time, a chance to put aside daily stresses and chores and focus on you. 1. Receive a gift each month of this pause box. 2. Set aside some time to enjoy it. 3. Share your well-being on social media. Your Pause for Thought cards will suggest some new ideas for keeping a regular check on your well-being. They'll encourage you to make the most of creative, mindful and relaxing activities you receive in your Pause box each month. And it's got some information about every year 1 in 4 of us will experience a mental health problem. And it's got a story of somebody who was helped by Mind. And it gives you some more information about how you're helping Mind. So this is the card that they're talking about. Welcome to this month's Pause. There's no better time than February to curl up with a thick blanket, a big mug of hot chocolate and a good book. Or an audiobook. Love an audiobook. This month enjoy a bit of crafty nostalgia and brighten up your bedside reading with our colourful pom-pom bookmarks. They also make the perfect gift for all your bookworm friends. Hashtag Pause for Mind. Every time you pause to take a moment for yourself, you're helping others too by having this. Now it says pom-poms. That explains what these are, because now I can see they do kind of look like pom-poms on the card, just in grey, not colourful. So let's find that. There's this little package here. Let's rip it open. I'm expecting pom-poms now. Oh, cool. So it's not just pom-poms, it's making pom-poms. Do you remember how to do this? You have to wind it around a piece of card and then snip it, tie it around a piece of string and then snip it all the way around. You see these? That's what I'm talking about. That is cool. So not only is it you get pom-poms, but you make your own pom-poms. That's cool. So it has here how to make a pom-pom bookmark, and they'd love to see your finished pictures. Gives you all the information. You just need some scissors. That's really cool. So there's something very nostalgic about making pom-poms. It encourages you to sit and focus on a simple, mindful activity, and it's hugely satisfying when you've created a soft, fluffy ball of colour. It is. I haven't done this for years and years. You see how happy it makes me just thinking about doing it. So yeah, I don't know if you guys like things like this. I mean, when was the last time you actually sat down and made pom-pom? Maybe those of you with children might have done it more frequently than I have, but it's still fun, right? Okay, so that's exciting, and it's purple. I like that. Now there's also this card, and it says read. Books are uniquely portable magic, says Stephen King. There's a quote. Reading is a great activity because it's fun, entertaining, can help to reduce stress, and a good book can provide the ideal distraction from the day-to-day. Books are also perfect for sharing. There's nothing like passing on a book you've loved to someone, knowing the magic that they're about to discover. So true. Or joining a local book club to share your favourite adventures with other book lovers. So that's what it's encouraging you to do. And there is one more item, which is this. Let me just put this down for a sec. So it is a green booklet that says pause on the front at the bottom and mind on the back, and it is actually a notebook, and it says it has different quotes on every day. So, well, not on every day, it's not a diary, on every page. For example, keep your face to the sunshine and you cannot see a shadow, from Helen Keller. I don't know who that is. And then it says hashtag Pauseformind, and then the next page has another quote, where there is love and inspiration, I don't think you can go wrong, from Ella Fitzgerald. It is never too late to be what you might have been, George Eliot. Be the change that you wish to see in the world, Mahatma Gandhi. Limit your always and your nevers, Amy Poehler. Poehler? I don't know how to say that, but that is true, because sometimes you can do different things. You can change and redo things that you said you'll never do again, and not do things that you always do. A champion is defined not by their wins, but by how they recover when they fall, Serena Williams. And she is a prime example. I mean, look how quickly she went back to tennis after giving birth. She wasn't giving up. She wants to get back in there. So yeah, this is a really cool little notebook. My husband will definitely love this because he likes to keep notes about how he's feeling, and also he records other stuff that he likes to do, and he's always asking me for new notebooks. He likes to start fresh ones all the time. So having these little quotes at the bottom down here will be very good for him. He'll enjoy that. That is excellent. I'm pleased with that. I don't think that's bad for £7. Obviously, I'm not expecting to get loads of stuff and it to be a high value box, because most of what this box is about is to encourage you to have a pause, encourage you to think about your mental health and other people's, and also for you to donate to the charity Mind, which do great work, so that they can help other people and, you know, maybe help you, someone you know or love, or you even in the future if that ever happened. So yeah, I think that these are cool. I like the pom-poms a lot. I love being encouraged to read, because when I don't read I miss it. I think, what am I missing? Oh yeah, sitting there really enjoying a book. You know, with the books where you just can't wait to find out the end, but you don't want to get to the end because the book will be over. You know what I mean? That kind of book. I'm reading the Mortal Instruments books right now. Well, I'm not reading them, I'm listening to them on audiobooks, and I'm really enjoying them. The worst time is when I fall asleep listening to it and I have to go way back to find where I was and find out what happened. I think that this is a nice box, and I just want to share with you guys that if you are interested in donating to Mind, that this was a way to do it, and you could get some goodies yourself. You can always try it for a month, or if there's anyone that you know that you think might be interested, then go ahead, let them know. Share the video, share the love, share the pause time, and take some time for yourselves, because it is important to have some time for you and shared time. It can be shared downtime, you know, playing a game with your family, or just going for a walk with your friend and actually communicating. You know what I mean? There you go. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and it was helpful to hear about pausing for Mind. And until you see me next time, I hope that you take care of yourselves, have a moment to yourselves, and find something positive in every day. Bye guys.